Welcome to Zisuz Labs, the home of cutting-edge engineering design and consulting. At Zisuz Labs, we combine innovation, creativity, and expertise to deliver groundbreaking solutions using Apple products, including Apple's flagship, Vision Pro. Our team at Zisuz Labs is at the forefront of Apple design and development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We are proud to present a glimpse into our world of innovation. Join us as we introduce you to our groundbreaking projects, each designed to solve real-world problems and create a better future for humanity.
Commaverse.
Revolutionizing communication in virtual reality, bringing people together like never before.
Solar Dandelion.
Harnessing the power of solar energy with an elegant and sustainable design.
Green Blockchain.
Advancing the possibilities of blockchain technology to promote environmental sustainability.
Gravelite.
Redefining transportation with an intelligent and eco-friendly low-Earth orbit system.
Universal Lunar Bot.
Paving the way for exploration and colonization of the moon through cutting-edge robotics.
Cardamani.
FDA-approved coffee and spices dehydrated. These are just a few of the patent-pending utilities developed by Zisuz Labs, revolutionizing industries and shaping the future. Our founder, a prolific USPTO inventor and author of Make Mobile App in a Day, and Zisuz Labs, a life behind his laboratory. His expertise and passion drive our team to push the boundaries of what's possible. Subscribe to our channel and embark on a journey of discovery and invention. Join us as we pioneer the future with innovative engineering design and consulting. Together, we can shape a better tomorrow.